Well, this is day 21, exactly 3 weeks since I had a total knee replacement in my left knee. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I really severely injured my knee in a motorcycle accident in Mexico about 13 months ago. Broke a lot of bones, tore a lot of the ligaments, had a big gash, had a couple surgeries to mostly fix the soft tissue, but there were broken bits and pieces of bone that all the surgeons that I saw recommended that I just try to let Mother Nature heal it over the course of a year. And if that didn't get me to where I really wanted to be as far as being mobile, really the only option was to get a total knee replacement, which I did 3 weeks ago. And so I do have a video that I'll put at the end here. That's my first couple of weeks overview of how I was doing with this knee. So now I wanted to give my regular viewers an update on kind of how I'm doing here, and now that I'm 3 weeks past. Right now I'm going to physical therapy twice a week, and I do a lot of physical therapy at home also. I am mobile. I use a cane just because I'm not all that steady. The knee is very wobbly still. After all, I'm only 3 weeks in, and it's going to take an entire year to kind of really get all the way back. As far as pain is concerned, it aches and pains all during the day, but at nighttime is when I really get some sharp stabbing pains at night. The mobility is improving all the time. They want you to be able to totally extend your leg and also bring it back inwards about 120 degrees. And I'm pretty close to both of those after 3 weeks, so I'm ahead of schedule, they say. So I'm just kind of plugging it out at this point, trying to do my physical therapy exercises. Really limits my ability to be really active. So the motorcycle is still a little ways off. I can't really walk long distances. I can't socialize for long periods of time because I need to rest. I can't really, go out and do things active. Can't ski, can't walk, can't golf. But hopefully those things will come at some point in the future. So 3 weeks out, I'm on schedule. Things are looking good, so I'll just keep plugging away, and I'll be on that motorcycle before I know it. Well, it's a little bit over 1 month since I had my total knee replacement surgery. I've had a lot of ups and downs. I thought that the progress was going to be kind of a linear process of getting better, but I've had a few setbacks. Last week I had a few days where my leg, my tibia, was really painful. The bone, I could feel it. It's almost like growing pains, we used to call them back in the day. And that took a few days before it started to settle down. I'm not sure why it was acting up. It could be that I was overworking it, trying to exercise too much. I also read that they do realign your bones when they put in a total knee replacement, and the tibia, which was partly bow-legged before, is now straighter, and it's just getting used to that straightness. It's protesting at times, let's say. So I had some rough days, some rough nights, but feeling a little better now. Physical therapy keeps going 2 days a week, working on it at home here. The main thing that my therapist wants me to focus on now is extension of the leg. I think everything else is lining up according to schedule, but I may be a little bit behind on the total extension of the leg, which is really critical to not having a gait when I walk. So I'm trying to get that leg stretched out, putting some weight on it, lifting it up, and just pressing on it. It's painful. I can do it for a few minutes at a time, but that's going to be my focus at least over the course of this week, as well as my other strengthening exercises too. So 1 month out, I'm still a ways to go. This is a long journey. And I knew it was going to be a long journey, but sometimes the reality when you're in the middle of the journey, or in my case, I'm still, in the beginning of it. It's going to take me a while to get back to really where I want to be and get active.
Well, it's been not quite 6 weeks now since my total knee replacement. I had a pretty good size first snow of the year here. I live on a golf course, and I haven't cross country skied since before my accident, a year and a half. Been dying to get out, and I took a risk today and put the skis on. Just going to do a little cross country skiing out here. It feels good. I mean, the knee is tight and stiff and it's painful. I don't intend to fall or go fast. I'm just going to kind of skate walk for maybe half an hour. But oh man, I tell you what, this feels good. Big smile on my face just to see, positive to get back. There was a time a year or so ago I wondered if I'd ever even walk again. So this is a good sign. What a day. Loving it. Well, it has now been 8 weeks since my total knee replacement surgery, 2 months. And I'll have to be honest, I was hoping I was going to feel a little bit better than I do. I still have quite a bit of pain, comes and goes. Some days are good and sometimes are good. Pain is mostly at night. And it's not just in my knee, but it kind of reflects all the way down the tibia into my ankle. And I get pain in my lower back because my body's still kind of out of sync. I'm not really walking like I would normally walk if I had 2 good knees. I still have a bit of a limp, so I need to work on that. I'm not finished with my physical therapy. I have another 2 or 3, 4 more sessions to go, and I work when I'm not at physical therapy. I work on it at home, so hopefully the pain is going to ease up and my strength is going to increase here. I did see my surgeon though for a follow-up last week, and he took x-rays, said everything looks fine. He thinks I'll be 80% healed after 3 months, which is only 1 month away. And well, we'll have to wait and see. Maybe my expectations are higher than what his are. But he also cleared me to go ahead and be active. He said, forget that you've got this knee, or try to forget. I'm okay to go hiking, play golf, go skiing, and even to ride the motorcycle. He wants me to know to take things easy. Don't go out and walk 18 holes of golf or go out on the motorcycle on a 300-mile ride through the mountains. So I am going to start to get back in to try to be a little more active as my body allows. So I got to listen to it. If it's hurting, I need to stop because I'll pay for it in the next few days. The knee will still swell up and get painful. So I have to ease back in, and hopefully, things will just continue to improve and get a little bit better. So that's kind of my status right now. Still in a bit of pain, not as active as I'd like to be, but looking at improving incrementally, getting better. And I am going to take my KTM 390 out for a ride. Not today, maybe give myself another week or 2. So I hope you stick around. Give me a thumbs up for this one here and subscribe. And I will see you next time on one of my senior moments on my KTM 390 adventure.